Hello.
हाँ राधिका हेलो। Hmm. Uh, in the last class, in the last class, this one. Few parts are left. Hmm. In the last class, I have told you about two equations with one unknown. Yes, how to solve them and get the answer. Now I'll tell you about equations with two unknowns. The example of two equations with two unknown was what I have told you in the last class. When sine theta by sine phi is equal to root 3 is there, tan theta by tan phi is equal to 3. These are the two equations. This is first equation, this second equation. These are two equations you have. Also, there are two variables in this, theta and phi. So what is the method you have to follow in this two equations with two unknowns? You have to simply use these two equations to make an equation with only one unknown. Like how we'll do it? Like do something, these two equations are given to you. Like what you can do here. See, for example, what you can do here, in this particular case, two equations with two unknown, just square the first equation. It will become what? Sine square theta by sine square phi is equal to 3. But this, according to this second equation, it is tan theta by tan phi. So if you simplify, it will become sine square theta by sine square phi is equal to sine theta by sine phi into cos phi by cos theta. They will be cancelled. Now it will become what? It will become sine theta cos theta minus sine phi cos phi is equal to 0. Now if you further simplify it, it will become 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 2 sine phi cos phi. So now this has become sine 2 theta is equal to sine 2 phi. Now it's easy. 2 theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 2 phi. That's only the solution, na? Or sine theta is equal to sine phi. To solve it and get the answer. This is the way to solve this. Solve the equations. Means you have to use both the equations, remove one variable, means try to relate the two variables with each other using the two equations. Eliminate the constants and all. Okay. This is the way for solving two equations with two unknowns. ये बात तुमने पिछले वाले नोट्स देखे हैं मेरे, जो मैंने क्लास करवाए थे, और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग देखी है?
हाँ सर, अभी नहीं देखी क्योंकि टेस्ट आज ही था तो
हो
अभी
गया?
तक टाइम है ना। यस सर।
क्लास के बाद देख लेना उसको, है ना?
ओके सर।
See, the question that I'm giving you, see what I was telling in the last class, Diva और राधिका तुम दोनों ही देख लो कि तुम दोनों एब्सेंट थे. In the last class I have told solution in case of two equations are given. Further, before the solutions of the type you will see in the recordings, but the most recent thing is two equations with one unknown, two equations with two unknown. For two equations with one unknown, you have these two equations. Like example is this: two equations are there, only theta is the unknown thing. So how do you solve it? Like one example I have given, you solve the individual one. Sin theta is equal to minus half, tan theta is equal to this. So what you have to do, you have to write sin theta is equal to sin something, tan theta is equal to tan something angle. But the important thing is this angle and this angle, they have to be equal. Now when you have this this type, so you have to make it of this type, because this is again related with the previous class. Because in the previous class what I have told, when you have two different type of equations, in that when you have sin theta is equal to sin alpha, what is that? Array? Yes only. When sin theta is equal to sin alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, this kind of equations are there. The common solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Sin theta equal to sin alpha, tan theta equal to tan alpha is there. Common solution is this. Actually, the common solution for all the three cases is same. But the important thing you need to remember is, for two equations with one unknown, you have to have theta and alpha both same in these cases. So once you have made the angles same, sin theta is equal to sin of this, tan theta is equal to tan of this, you can write the answer theta is equal to n pi plus 7 pi by 6. Okay. Now the second thing is, this is one type that I've told in the last class. Two equations with one unknown. Three solutions are there. Either you will have the case as this one, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, or sin theta is equal to sin alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Like this. For all the three, but just you have to identify which type of case you have out of 1, 2, 3. Accordingly, you can write the answer like this. What you have to remember is that these angles should be same. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Alpha should be same. If you are making them different, solution will be wrong. That was first type. Now we are discussing two equations with two unknowns. These kinds of questions are sin theta by sin phi is equal to root 3, tan theta by tan phi is equal to 3. These kinds of equations are there. For those, how you will solve, I have told it now. For two equations with one unknown, you have to convert the given equation in these forms that I have given. 1, 2, 3, A. And then accordingly, you have to find out the answer. You have to write the general solution. For two equations with two unknowns, you have to solve each equation 1 and 2, and then arrive at a solution which will relate both the angles theta and phi, like I have done in this case. Understood? Haripriya, okay?
Yes.
हाँ, कनिष्का ओके, राधिका समझ में आया, दिवा ओके, दिवा ओके है ना?
Oh, yes, sir.
हम्म. See, only thing for now, what you have to, the rest of the things you can watch in the previous recordings. For now, what you have to remember, when you have some cases of these forms, two equations with two unknowns, like these equations, 1 and 2, you have to solve each equation 1 and 2 and then arrive at some relation that will provide you the theta and phi relation. You have to solve these two equations and arrive at theta is equal to phi relation, like this, some relation. And then accordingly, you have to use your general equation method, general solution. You have to write the general solution accordingly. Now let me give you one question. Question is, solve the system of equation secant theta is equal to root 2 secant phi, tan theta is equal to root 3 tan phi. This is your question. You have to give me the answer after solving.
Sir, could you do it?
You're not able to do.
Oh, that's not.
See, one way is secant theta is equal to this.
Sir, 2 minutes, I'm solving, please.
Okay, you solve it. Don't look it. Look what I'm solving. What is this? Tan square theta is equal to 3 tan square phi.
Sir, I almost got it.
Hmm. Now, Haripriya, you will be able to solve, no?
Yes, sir.
You did not get this idea.
I was doing it as 1 by cos.
1 by O, 1 by cos. Then also you would have got it.
I got one more variable, sine.
Acha, you are not well, na?
Yes, sir.
Either way you can solve. Either you can go for sine theta and sine phi relation, or you can go for cos
I
theta.
got sine square theta is equal to 3 sine square phi.
Acha, then you may not be getting the result, na? Because root 3 sine theta value in terms of root 3 you won't have anything. You should, acha, you are getting sine theta or sine phi. You should have one, you should write the equation in one variable only. I told you, na, when two equations with two variables are there, you have to solve both of the equations to get answer in one variable. Get an equation in one variable. That's the
Yes.
method. This is one way. Now see, now you know, because we have already discussed when tan theta is equal to tan phi, what should be the general solution? General solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. So your relation will be theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 6 or theta is equal to n pi minus pi by 6. So your answer would be theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. This should be your answer. Radhika, Diva, Kanishka, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Diva कहाँ गई? Diva. Okay. Diva, did you understand?
Yes.
It's simple actually. What you have to do now, you have two equations with two variables. You have to solve each of them and get get an equation with one variable only, so that you will be able to solve that variable and then arrive at a relation like this. Then you can form a general solution. Let me give you type. Do not have it. Let's try solving this one. Kama, what happened? Did you got the answer? Get the answer?
No, sir, I made a mistake. I didn't use the identity. Used.
Hmm.
I tried to solve it without using the identity.
What method? Acha, without using the identity you tried to. But where you
Um,
got stuck?
I made a mistake, sir. I got both the equation to be same, logically same.
Hmm. Whatever method you use, try to rectify that mistake and see you should be getting the same answer.
Okay.
Now try to solve this one.
I have a small doubt. I got the value to be minus root 3 by 2. So it'll
Hmm.
be 150 degrees.
Root 3 by 2, huh?
Minus root 3 by 2.
Huh? For
So,
which? For this first part?
yeah, the general theta that satisfies both
Hmm,
equations.
hmm, hmm, hmm.
So after that, how to do?
See, here, Shama, here you have to be careful. This is of the first type. Like in the early, you did the same type mistake. If you have these two kinds of equation, na, these two equations are same or not? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 3.
Yeah, sir, they both are
Arre
same.
yaar,
What happens, sir?
I wanted to give different question. See, the thing is, if they are same, na, let's discuss them. Discuss it again. I forgot I gave this question earlier. Actually, when you have sine theta is equal to sine of minus pi by 6 or this kind of something,
Oh,
na?
your voice is not audible.
Hmm?
So your voice is not audible. Like it's a bit low.
Acha, wait. Okay, let me. Now?
Yes, sir.
Now is it okay, na? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now see, this one, when sine theta is equal to this is there, you have to have sine theta, this angle, when for the first solution, sine theta is equal to sine of some angle you are getting. You will get different angles for minus 1 by 2. For which answer will be sine minus 1 by 2. But you have to have that angle for which sine theta is equal to minus half, sine theta is equal to sine that angle, and tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, that tan pi by 6 you are getting now. These two angles should be same. Then only you can arrive at a solution. Because sine theta, you have to use this one. Sine theta is equal to sine alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So the thing to observe here is theta is equal, theta and this alpha. This is here. Same in the other equation of tan theta and tan alpha, the angles are same. These two angles should be same, alpha alpha. Then only you can write the solution. If sine theta is equal to this sine angle, sine of alpha some angle, and this tan theta is equal to tan of other angle you are getting. If alpha and beta are not equal, means suppose you have written the solution as sine theta is equal to sine alpha some angle, and tan theta is equal to tan beta you have written. In that case, it is difficult to write the answer. This alpha and because these alpha and beta are different. To write the common solution, that is 2n pi plus alpha, this and this you should make them equal, so that this value at what angle, at what sine alpha, what angle of alpha it will become minus 1 by 2, and at what angle beta it will become 1 by root 3, so that alpha and beta are equal. Once you have made them equal, then you can write the general solution as theta is equal to n pi plus 7 pi by 6, like I have done. Because when sine theta is equal to minus half, sine of 7 pi by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 is there, I can write tan pi by 6. But again, pi by 6 and this 7 pi by 6 are different. So, but I know I can write tan pi plus pi by 6, because tan pi plus pi by 6, which is 7 pi by 6, is also 1 by root 3. So I have to take 7 pi by 6 for this case also. Then the general solution will become theta is equal to 2n pi plus 7 pi by 6. Got it?
Okay, sir.
There only you have to be careful. This question, because you already know. Let me give you the next method. Achha, can anyone suggest me if I have an equation of type a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to c?
That will be root of a square.
How to find out the solution of this? See, the method is you have to multiply and divide by root over a square plus b square. It will become a by root over a square plus b square cos theta plus b by root over a square plus b square sin theta is equal to c. Now it's up to you. You can take root over a square b square to the right side. Now this, it's up to you. You want to take a by root over a square plus b square as cos phi or sin phi. Nothing will change. If you take it as phi, this is A, this is B. I am taking like this, so that this part will become cos theta sin phi. B by root over A square plus B square will become cos phi sin theta. It is equal to C by root over A square plus B square. Now you can write this as sine of theta plus phi. C by root over A square plus B square. Now you have got something. Now write this C by root over A square plus B square in terms of sine of something. Sine of some angle, theta 1, and then find general solution. Okay? Method is okay for everyone?
Should find the general solution for theta plus phi.
Theta plus phi you will get. This theta plus phi you will write as theta plus phi will be equal to what? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into theta 1, like that.
But here theta plus phi would be 90.
But you can write the phi value, na? See, you have to get the value of theta, na? It is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into theta 1. Minus phi is there, and phi you already know. Phi is tan inverse A by B. Okay, na?
Yes.
Like that you have to do. Acha. Now let me give you. Acha, let me give you one easy question, then I'll give you a difficult one. Easy, na? This method is easy. Diva, okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Kanishka, okay? Radhika? Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
one is saying anything means understood everything. Everyone understood this.
Understood.
Now, let me give you one question. Hmm.
So can you move up? Okay. Can you move down? So is it option D?
And D.
No.
Correct.
Because it matched the form and also solution will be the pi by 3 because A by B.
Hmm.
सर डे पार्टी आ रहे हैं
डी पार्टी आ रहा है ना?
मतलब
सभी का आ रहा है? दिवा तुम्हारा आ रहा है?
सर मेरा लास्ट स्टेप पे में ही हूँ ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक यही आंसर रहेगा
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। फिर मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन। कनिष्का तुम्हारा आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तुम ये वाला क्वेश्चन आईआईटी स्क्रीनिंग का।
I'm not getting.
Not getting. Let me see. They're asking the number of integral values of k for which it has a solution. First, x k is this. We can like this. 7 square plus 5 square, 49 plus 25 root over root 74. So root 74, 7 by root 74 cos x plus 5 by root 74 sin x will be equal to 2k plus 1. Now, there is something sin of x plus 5, in which 5 will be sin a cos 7, 5 root 74. This is equal to 2k plus 1 by root 74. Now see, they want the integral values. You know this sin of x plus 5, sin of any angle, it lies between -1 and 1. Okay, now? So then, this value also should lie between -1 and 1 only. -1 less than or equal to 2k plus 1 by. Now you will say, sir, now I'll get. So you'll have two equations. Either 2k plus 1 is greater than or equal to minus root 74. First one, 2k plus 1 is less than or equal to root 74. Okay. Accordingly, you have to find the values of k. That means from this we get k is equal to minus root 74 minus 1 upon 2. k is greater than or this. K is less than or equal to root 74 minus 1 by 2. Can anyone give me the value of root 74? Let me have the approximation. 75 is 20.
Around 8 point something.
5 root 3, 1.7, 5. 8.5 you can take.
8.6 so cancel.
Okay, 8.7. 8.6 you are getting now. I have done by approximation. You can take root 75 as root 74 as root 75 approximately. It is 5 root 3. Root 3 is 1.7 into 5. It will be 8.5. Approximate value is 8.5. Now, for this, you get minus 9.5 by 2. Means K is lying between 4.8 and less than 9 point, this is what? 8.5, 7.5 by 2. 3.7. 3.8 you can take. So the values, what they are asking? Number of integral values of K is greater than this minus 4, minus 5. So K can be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So K integral solutions are 8. How about this? Now let's check the solution answer. 8 only. राधिका का आंसर नहीं आ रहा है.
निकल ही नहीं रहा.
तुम कर ही नहीं रहे हो, क्या हो गया?
वो निकल ही नहीं रहा. एक का निकल गया था उससे पहले वाला.
In exam, if they ask root 74, what should we take? Because
Do approximation like me. What I have done?
so you could take it as 8 also.
No, not 8. See, you have root 74. Take the nearest value that you can find.
8.5.
Because see, the nearest thing is root 75. If it was 72, you could have taken root 70 like that.
Oh, okay.
So take like that. Then do the approximation because your aim is to get the nearest one. Na? Otherwise, if you go too far, then it will become problematic. If you are going too far, you're taking 70 in case of root 74 or 80. Accordingly, you have to reduce your answer because you should very well know when you are taking root 80, how much decrease you have to do. That only comes by experience. So it's better you take root 75, nearest one. Okay. Root 2 value, root 3 value, and root 5 value. This you should always remember. And for that, root 7 value also. This is 1.414. This is what? 3 is
1.71.
1.73.
1.732. Not 71.
1.71.
1.71.
71 or 73, sir. Anything.
No, as I remember, it's 1.73.
5 will be 2 point something. 2.3.
2.236.
2.3.
And root 7? 2.64.
Okay.
These values, if you remember, you will be able to do any kind of calculation.
Sir, in the exams, log values will be given.
Yes. Whenever log values are there, if you need it, it will be given. If they are not given means and you are getting a log answer, that means something wrong. You have done something wrong.
Then definitely in the given box, if they give a log 2 means definitely the answer log 2.
Definitely log 2 will come in the answer.
Oh,
Or if you are not getting, somehow you have to get it by using the property of log, then accordingly you have to check your answer.
okay.
Okay, then this is over.
So rounding off to nearest integer means how, sir?
Rounding off means, for that, did you study that approximation method? The
So we have to round it off to like 1 decimal or 2 decimal in G.
to 1 decimal only, up to 1 decimal they want.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for that, doing approximation, refer to NCRT method. NCRT physics first chapter, errors and approximation.
Unit and measurement.
That is important. So it's almost over. The kinds of questions are almost over. Now I'll be making you solve some questions, few questions, so that you get confidence. And then from the next class, we will start what? Quadratic equation. In the next class, we'll solve some question, then we'll start quadratic equation. Okay, let's end it.